Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. I am Miss D, and if you are brand new here, I would love for you to be one of my beauties. So go ahead and tap that red button and make it gray. That will definitely make my day. So also give me a great big thumbs up. That will help my content be found on YouTube. And if you really like what you see, then please feel free to tap that notification bell. That will let you know the next time new content is uploaded onto my channel. And for all the beautiful comments that you leave in the comment section below, I am eternally grateful. So thank you. Now, last week on Friday, if everything went to schedule and editing didn't get all mucked up, I did a tutorial on this eye look. I was using the Honey palette by ColourPop, and it is yellow, it is vibrant, it is fun, it is spring, and I love it. But I wanted to save the very last step for today, Tips and Tricks Tuesday, and it's kind of an extension of my brush series as well. And I actually have not found another brush that looks like this, that kind of really specifically does what I like to do with this brush. It is in the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill Master Remix collection, and it is the JH10, if I am reading that correctly. I'm right now playing the trombone. It is all the way extended, and I think that that's what it says. And this is the brush itself. It is synthetic, and I absolutely love the way that this it fits on my skin. And I'm going to show you what I do with this. I have got the Bare Essentials ColourPop palette here. I love this palette. It is one of my favorite. It's got absolutely beautiful colors, and I cannot say enough about the formulation of these palettes. The pans are just incredible for the price that you're paying. So often they throw on worldwide shipping for free if you spend a certain amount of money, obviously. Then they're always running promotions of 40% off, 25% off, 30% off. And then there was one promotion that they did that was $9.99 per palette, or $9 per palette, and they were the little 9-pan palettes. It's a lot of peas. But I cannot sing enough praises of the ColourPop formulation for their eye palettes. Whew, all right. Let's get on with this little tutorial. What I'm going to do is use this color Stiletto right here. There's a little bit of sparkle. Who doesn't want a little bit of sparkle? But all right, this is a tip for ladies who are not able to make it into their salon right now because COVID has taken over the world, and salons are shut down. Any personalized service companies are shut down. And this makes it difficult. Now, I have been gray ever since I was 22 years old. The bulk of my gray is just right up here, kind of like right up to the middle of my crown. And the back of my head, no gray whatsoever. Of course, nobody really cares about the back because you're looking at people's faces right on, right? But right in here, I always get a whole bunch of gray. Now, what I'm going to do is dip this into that color Stiletto and just put a bunch of it onto my brush. So I don't think you can see that. I don't know, maybe you can. There we go. And then I am just going to run it all along my hairline. And I don't know what's been happening, ladies, but all of a sudden, my hairline has started to actually move down my head, my forehead. I know anyone who has been with me on my channel for a while has heard me lament about the fact that I've got this immense forehead, which is the truth. But look at what this is doing. I am just going right to the edge of the hairline, and it is filling in all those grays. Now, my recommendation is to find a color that matches your hair color. And my hair is not quite black. It is a deep brown. It's got a little bit of purple in it, But like I say, my salon is closed right now, so unfortunately I'm not able to see the lovely young lady Gigi who usually does my hair, but that is what the effect is. I am so excited about this. And this brush just does that amazingly. Now the other thing that I am going to use this brush for, and I'm just gonna wipe it off on my towel that I have over to the side here. Now, okay, so I've got a lot of the color off of there, and I am going to go into, I need my glasses for this color right here called Hot Gossip. Just dip the tip and kind of the side of the brush as well into that color, and then run it along the side of my nose to just kind of give that definition as well. And I'll just flip it around on the other side and do the same thing. So this will actually contour my nose really quite beautifully, make it look skinnier. Not that I really need that, but for those of you that are kind of wondering what to do about your nose, see how that just really makes my nose look so tiny right at the top there. All right, and then I'm gonna take a Sigma all over blend E37 and just flip this up so that that blends into my skin and does not have any harsh lines, and I'll do that all over my nose. All right, so I have completely done my entire forehead area and just gone all around the that hairline and filled that in. It looks, well, I hope a lot better. And I'm just gonna continue to go over just the edges so there isn't that harsh line there, and use the JH02 bronzing brush and just kind of wiggle it around and push it back into my hair. So like I say, it doesn't have that harsh line, but it just does the trick for you know, filling in those little root areas that we're not able to go and get taken care of at the salon right now. I hope this helps you ladies. I love every single one of you, and remember, I am enough. You are beautiful, and I will see you in my next video.